Trouble for the high seas and dry land, with ZIM integrated shipping services stock price remaining volatile due to ongoing disruptions at key U.S. ports, while talks continue between the International Longshoremen's Association and the U.S. Maritime Alliance to resolve the labor strike impacting these ports. The situation has led to significant freight disruptions, with each day of the stoppage requiring 6 to 8 days to clear the backlog when operations resume. This is on top of earlier negative sentiment due to uncertainties in the market and dependence on Red Sea shipping routes, which you may recall was big news earlier this year. Nonetheless, some still view the stock through a neutral to positive lens because these events are viewed as temporary setbacks. In the broader context, the strike could cost the U.S. economy $5 billion per day, or about 6% of GDP, according to JP Morgan analysts. In general, the industrial logistics sector may be impacted in varying ways, so keep an eye on stocks like Expeditors International, FedEx, CSX, and Norfolk Southern. Elsewhere, Standard Aero has made a decent debut with its IPO at the start of October, raising over $1 billion. Carlyle, which offloaded some stake but will remain the majority shareholder after the IPO, and Singapore's GIC were among pre-IPO investors. Standard Aero's customers include GE Aerospace, Pratt & Whitney, and Rolls-Royce, as well as carriers such as American Airlines and Southwest Airlines. Speaking of IPOs, SOFI, the California-based fintech firm, has partnered with British capital markets platform Primary Bid Technologies to expand its initial public offering share placement business. SOFI's directed share platform aims to allow companies raising capital to allocate shares more efficiently to employees, customers, and other individual investors. The partnership will provide technology that connects individual investors directly with issuing companies, allowing them to get access to IPO opportunities previously only available to wealthy clients. Back on the ground, RIVN reported decreased third-quarter production, with 13,157 units produced, and customer deliveries at 10,018 vehicles, down 19% year-over-year and 36% year-over-year, respectively. RIVN now expects full-year production to be between 47,000 and 49,000 vehicles, below its initial guidance for the year. The company cited parts shortages as a reason for the production disruption. Analysts have voiced concerns that these lower numbers could jeopardize profit margin targets. Then, Nano Nuclear Energy has announced its sponsorship of the nuclear panel at the 17th annual LD Micro Main event taking place from October 28th to 30th in Los Angeles. The event will feature approximately 150 public and private companies across various sectors and regions, providing attendees with opportunities to engage with key leaders in the microcap space. Nano Nuclear CEO James Walker and founder and chairman Jay Yu are set to lead a presentation on Tuesday, October 29th from 9:30 to 9:55 a.m. For more on Nano Nuclear and the rest of these companies, follow Ascencore. See you again very soon.